How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over the steady burn override feature on our Z series surface mounts. So for example here, I have our Z3 TIR in an amber color here. Now with your red power cable, that will activate your warning mode, and then your green cable will be your steady burn override. Now when you activate your green cable, that will override the warning functionality of your Z surface mount. Now for example here, this is our Z3 TIR in amber. Now on our TIR models, your unit will steady burn in the warning color ordered of your surface mount. So for example, this unit will flash in amber, and then also when you activate your green steady burn override cable, that will go to steady burn amber as well. And we do have those units available in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. Now moving over here, I have our multicolor Z8 Linear. Now I brought a red, blue, amber color setup here. So you'll notice your unit is flashing between its primary colors, red, blue, and its secondary color, amber. Now on our multicolor Z surface mounts, your steady burn override will activate the secondary color ordered of your surface mount. So for example here, my unit will steady burn in amber. So you'll see I can flash in my multicolor in red, blue, amber, and then when I go to steady burn override and activate my green steady burn override cable, that will override the warning functionality, and that will go to steady burn in the secondary color ordered of my surface mount. Now moving over here, I brought our Z6 TIR brake light. Now on our Z6 TIR brake light, I brought this unit as a amber example. Now on our brake light model, your secondary color will be red. So when I activate the steady burn override on my Z6 TIR brake light here, you'll see my unit will go to steady burn red. So I can have my amber warning functionality, and then if I would like to activate my green power cable, again that will override the warning functionality of my unit, or it can be powered independently if you would like to. That will override in steady burn red, and that's our Z6 TIR brake light. And we also have a Z6 TIR super takedown if you would like that unit to go all clear. Now moving over here, I brought our multicolor Z12 Linear, and on this unit I brought a red, blue, clear color setup. So you'll see my unit is flashing back and forth between red, blue, its primary color, and clear, its secondary color. Now same thing here on our multicolor Zs, the unit will steady burn in the secondary color ordered of your unit. So when I activate my green steady burn override cable, that unit will go to steady burn clear, since clear is my secondary color on that unit. And then I can easily go back to my multicolor flashing, and then all of these units do have multiple flash patterns programmed in them, and we offer all of these models in our TIR in single and dual color, or in multicolor linear in amber, red, blue, green, and clear color options. So again, you can run your warning functionality independently if you would like to, and then you can also run your steady burn override independently if you would like to as well. So you can use that warning functionality paired with the steady burn override for any setup that you need. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.